fight. Up first in the blue corner, Johnston. Nashaune. Ladies and gentlemen, our next fight is brought to you by Muay Restaurant. And now, we got a special treat for you in this third fight of the evening. This is style versus style. 3 rounds of combat sports action in the men's 130-pound division. This fight will be featuring Sanda versus Muay Thai. Sanda rules. Up first, in the blue corner, this Sanda fighter comes to us from Brooksville, Florida. He's making his amateur debut, standing 5 feet 10 inches tall and weighing in at 130 pounds, representing Primal striking. And in the red corner, this Muay Thai fighter comes to us from Newark, New Jersey, with an amateur record. He's making his amateur debut, standing 5 feet 6 inches tall and weighing in at 130 pounds, representing Marfort Muay Thai. Referee for this fight, Casey Long. Let's go! scorecards. All three judges have scored this fight in favor of your winner, Nashaune. Nashaune, wow! You came out like an absolute hurricane up there.
Thanks, man. Holy shit. I'm just exhausted. I'm happy to be here. But it's fine.
It's not uncommon in the first fight to have a bit of an adrenaline dump. Looks like you had one there almost in the second round, but you kept pushing and pushing and pushing and attacking. And that was a very, very impressive performance.
Let's go! When my is ran, I was able to do it tonight. I'm not going to do this again.
You think you can do another style versus style match sometime?
Most definitely. I want to keep doing this about it. Kickboxing, Muay Thai, Sanda, and I just want to keep fighting.
Awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a big round of applause for your winner, Nashaune Edwards. Opponent, Dylan Johnston. Dylan, wow, that was a heck of an opponent. Also, Dylan was also making his amateur debut tonight in this style versus style match. Talk to me, Dylan. How do you feel after that?
Obviously, there's no match. Coming into the fight under injury, can't really expect a whole lot. I'm looking in the back now. I've been waiting on this for a long time.
Yeah, you can see that it looked like you had a foot injury there, knee injury, and you know the thing that's impressive is that you showed up tonight despite the injury. You came, you showed up, you turned out, and you kept pushing through the entire fight. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's have a big round of applause for Dylan Johnston.